Here's our small workshop right here. We do everything from sheet metal to safety wire. I love coming out to the workbenches here, getting some hands-on work. Then we have all our aircraft here for display. So basically what I have my students do a lot is depanel the aircraft and we can look at the separate components. This course is set up to take the average person, put them in a classroom environment and teach them from knowing zero about aircraft all the way to overhauling a whole engine in the aircraft. So, it's not just change parts, it's theory and understanding. We're going to teach you all the fundamentals, how to properly use tools safely, how to properly find the correct maintenance manuals. So yeah, it's just having this mock-up and this display explains so much. What is it? A picture's worth 1,000 words. And everything's here for you to see and touch. So it's not always lecture. It's hands-on with lecture is the way I love to teach. Hey, you! Look at you! What's up, y'all? What you guys up to? Tyreek is awesome. Remember a little while ago you said, hey, how do I feel about my students if they're prepped for the field? I would hire Tyreek in a heartbeat. A lot of these students here, they come with that passion. They come with that eagerness, am I right? They just need to be directed in the right path. Right. As an instructor, you could see that passion in that individual, so that gives me passion. So we're just feeding off each other.
Right. Angelo as an instructor was pretty good. Angelo is he wants to teach you like what it actually is. So it's not just always book work, it's always personal knowledge and what's actually in the field, not just in a classroom.
Watching my students learn how a jet engine works or how an aircraft flies, that's the passion I'm talking about. That's what you're gonna find here. I'm personally not just here to take attendance. I'm here to guide, mentor, lead, and teach what I know. And so I really want to give back to my community.